everyone, my name is Brittany D, also known as Dr. Fashion, and I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can create your own custom bag of chips. Now, it's going to be super easy. I'm going to show you how to make your template and also how to add your chips to your design. Now, as far as what these can be used for, it's great if you have a party and going for a certain theme. It can also be great to create these custom bag of chips for branding purposes. Say, for instance, you have a business and you want things to be cohesive. And if you know marketing, there's so much you can do with these bag of chips, especially if you add a QR code in the back, prompting people to either buy something or take action and add their emails to your email list. It's a lot you can do. I teach marketing, by the way, so if you guys are interested, definitely visit my website. It's creatorlife.com and you'll get all that goodie. Also, if you make it to the end of this video, I have some extra goodies for you guys and I hope you guys like it. It's going to help you a lot. But you got to stick around to the end to find out what that is. Now, I am going to show you how you can create the template and then walk you guys through adding your chips to the design. So I'm using canva.com, which is a free site. My paper is 8.5 by 11 inches, but because I need it to be horizontal, I am making it 11 by 8.5 inches on Canva. Once you have put in those numbers, it should look like this. The next step is to go to the side to elements, and we're going to pull in a rectangle shape. Now, the rectangle shape will be our guide to know where to center our image for our chip bag. Now, we want to make sure that the width is about 5.5 inches, and Canva will let you know if it's 5.5 when you move the image. Now, once you move it around, it will also let you know if it's centered by showing you a pink guideline. Once you have done that, you want to decrease the transparency so that you can see, and we're just using this as a guide. Now, the next step is to pull your images in. Now, I decided I wanted to use Cardi B and Lizzo for my custom chip bag, but I do, however, would love to remove the background. So I'm on remove.bg, and all you want to do is upload your image, and it will do the work for you and remove the background. Now, if you happen to have the paid version of Canva, you do not need to use this site, but if you don't, you can go to remove.bg. Now, the next step is I want flames in the back of Cardi B and Lizzo. So that is another image that I'm pulling. So my step for you guys first, before you add the main image, is to copy the image for your background and paste it in and adjust it. However you want it to be, make sure you adjust it and move it to the back. So I decided I want it to be centered like this. And next I'm going to pull in the image of Lizzo and Cardi B, using the rectangle as my guide to know the width. I also decided to pull it up about 1 inch because for the borders of the chip bag, I want it to be black. So I'm bringing in another shape and I'm going to make it about 1 inch. And then I'm going to stretch it out. And once I do that, I'm just going to copy and paste and bring it to the top. Now, the next step, you guys, will be to bring in the nutrition facts and the barcode because we want to make the chip bag look realistic. So I do have these PNG files for you, but if you make it to the end, you will find out how to get them. So I'm making the adjustments and then just adding those barcodes to the bottom on the other side of the chip bag. Next, I'm going to pull images from the music videos and add it to the side of my chip bag. So I'm just going to copy and paste and add it like so and make those adjustments. Also, you want to make sure that you delete that shape that we added as our guide for our template. Okay, so make sure you delete it. And if you like what you see, go ahead and download the image and you should get a pop-up that look like this. Now, I did mention I had a freebie for you guys. And you're probably mad, like, why you didn't show it to me in the beginning? I made a template that's going to make your life so much easier. And you'll be able to download it by going to fashionlife.com/chip-template, okay? And you'll be able to download this. And I also made other templates for you guys for free, and you'll be able to download those as well. I created the templates after the fact. So I have this paper crimper, totally optional, but this is going to give you the ridges on your chip bag to make it look more realistic. Also, I have double-sided stick tape. You can get this at Dollar Tree, You may find it at the 99-cent store, but if not, you do have other options. You got the crafter's tape, which you can find at like Joann's, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, the list goes on. I'll have a link down below. And then if you can't find that, you have your regular old double-sided stick tape where you can find at any 99-cent store or Dollar Tree. So here is my template of Hello Kitty, by the way. And like I said, you guys, I have downloadables for you all, okay? So make sure you go ahead and get that. So we're going to take our double-sided stick tape and go down on one edge of the paper, only on one side, on the front. And then we're going to do it at the top and at the bottom on the back side. Now we're going to place our chip in the middle. And then what we're going to do is overlap the bag, making sure everything's all lined up. And then we're going to press it down. And once you do that, it should look like this. Press down nice and neat. Now we're going to seal the bottom of the bag. You want to press in the middle and then press all the way to the edge on both sides. And you want to do the same for the top. Press in the middle and then press on the edge for both sides. So when you start from the middle and just spread it out, it makes it so much easier. Now I'm going to take my paper crimper and give it that real official chip bag look. So all you do is put the edge in there and just turn it on the side. And you would do this for the top and for the bottom. But you can see how it looks, right? It looks so realistic, like the actual bag of chips. And once you do that, that is pretty much it for this tutorial. All right, guys, so that was pretty easy, right? Make sure you guys go ahead and check out the link in my description of my video and get your freebie. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want more, sign up to my newsletter at fashionlife.com. Every product that I use in this video will also be linked down below. And if you have any ideas for our next video, by all means, leave a comment down below. I'll see you next time for a new video. Bye!